Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss. Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G gets official. Check the price and specifications. Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G has been quietly released in China. The phone came soon after the company released the Infinix Note 12 5G and the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G earlier this month in India. The MediaTek Helio G99 processor is now in the Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G, which is the first phone in the world to have it. Design and specs of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G looks like a box and has a waterdrop-shaped cutout on top of the screen. On the back, there is a big, round camera module that holds the 3 sensors and the many LED flash units. Like the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G variant, the edges around the screen are not very wide. The phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED screen, but at the moment, we don't know how often the screen refreshes. The octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor powers the Note 12 Pro 4G. It was made using the 6nm manufacturing process. The Mali-G57 MC2 graphics processor, 256GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM, which can be almost doubled to 13GB, go with the chipset. The device comes with Android 12 right out of the box. With a width of 7.8mm, the phone is quite thin. The main camera on the back of the Note 12 Pro 4G is a huge 108 megapixels one with an aperture of f1.8. In addition to the main sensor, there are two 2-megapixel secondary shooters and a third one. Selfies and video calls are also possible with the device's 16 megapixels camera. Standard connectivity features include 4G LTE, 2 SIM card slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, and a USB Type-C port for charging. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged quickly with 33W. Price and availability of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G costs $199.90, which is about 16,000 rupees in Indian currency, according to its listing on AliExpress. From July 18 to July 22, you can buy the phone at this price. There are 2 color options for the device, blue and gray. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.